To my channel. So today we will be coming into mensuration. I've already introduced mensuration. So we are coming to exercise 10.21. So check the first question. This is the first question. So what is it? If I need to find the perimeter, I have to keep adding all the sides. So that is, I will start with 1. So 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. So 5 plus 4 9, 10, 11 and 1 13 centimeter. Okay. So this is 13 centimeter. Now coming to the second one. This is the second one, B. So B, what is it? I will again start from one side. 40 centimeter plus 35 centimeter plus 23 centimeter plus 35 centimeter. So how much is it? 70, 7, 8, 9, 93. 93 plus 4, 133 centimeter. Please write the units. Okay, 33 centimeter. Coming to question number C. So again I will see all are 15 centimeter. So it is nothing but 4 into 15 centimeter I can write. So 4 into 15 centimeter is 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter. Okay. Now coming to the next one. D. So the question number D, you see all the 5 are 4 centimeter. So what will be my D? D will be 5 into 4 centimeter. This is a regular pentagon. So this is 20 centimeter. E. So E, not this. E is this. Okay. So what and all it is? I will start from here. Okay. 1 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 0.5 centimeter plus 2.5 centimeter. Again the same thing will repeat. 2.5 plus 0.5 plus 4 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. So how much is it? 1 plus 4, 5, 5, 5.5, 5.5 plus 2.5, 5.5 plus 0.5 is 6, 7, 8. 8 centimeter, 8 plus 3, 2.5 and 0.5 is 3. 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15. So this is 15 centimeter. Let me verify it once more. 4 plus 1, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 plus 4, 15 centimeters. So this is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay. Now let's come to question number F. See question number F. These arms are same. See 4, 1, 3, 2. That is 3, 4, 1, 3, 2. So you will have 3, 4, 1, 3, 2. Again 3, 4, 1, 3, 2. Again here 3, 4, 1, 3, 2. So everywhere 4 arms it is the same. So I can say 4 into 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2. Right? So that is equal to 4 into 3 plus 4, 7 and 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 which is equal to 52 centimeter. Okay. So next we will come to question number 2. So what does question number 2 states? A question number 2 states the lid of a rectangular box. So there is a lid of a rectangular box of size 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter is sealed all rounded with tape. So the tape is surrounding. So what do I have to find out? I have to find the perimeter. So what is the perimeter of this box? 2 into length plus breadth. So that is equal to 2 into 40 centimeter plus 10 centimeter, that is equal to 2 into 50 centimeter, that is 100 centimeter. So what is the length of tape required? That is equal to 100 centimeter. Coming to question number 3. Question number 3 states, a tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. So this is also a rectangle, which is 2 meter 20 centimeter, 2 meter 25 centimeter and 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? Direct question. Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Now converting this, either I can convert it into decimal or in the form of a whole number. So I can write 2.25 meter and this is equal to 1.50 meter. So this is equal to 2 into 2.25 plus 1.50. 2 into, add it up, 3.75 meters. What is 2 into 3.75? 5 to the 10, carry 1. 7 to the 14 and 1 15. Carry 1, 6 and 6 and 7. So 750, just before 2 there is a decimal point, so I have placed that. Okay, that is question number 3. Next, coming to question number 4. What is the length of an wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth of 32 centimeter and 21 centimeter? Again, there is a photo frame of length 32 centimeter and breadth is 21 centimeter. So what is the length of the wooden strip required? So length of wooden strip is the perimeter. 2 into 32 plus 21 centimeter, that is equal to 2 into 53 centimeter, that is equal to 3 to the 6, 5 to the 10, 106 centimeter. Okay. Coming to question number 5. What does 5 say? A rectangular piece of land measures, again it's a rectangular piece of land, I will draw a rectangle. Rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. Okay, each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wire. So there will be 4 times a rotation of the wire. So what is the length of the wire required? Length of wire required is equal to 4 times the perimeter. So that is equal to 4 into, what is the perimeter? 2 into 0.5 plus 0.7. So that is 4 into 2 into, what is this? 1.2 kilometer. That is equal to 4 into 2.4 kilometer. That is equal to 9.6 kilometer. Coming to question number 4. Okay. Now coming to question number 4. What does 5 is over. Coming to question number 6. Coming to question number 6. What does it state? Find the perimeter of each of the following shapes. A triangle of side 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. So 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5. That is 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12 cm. B is what? Perimeter of an equilateral triangle of 9 cm. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 3 into 9 cm because equilateral triangle, all the sides are same. So that is 27 cm. C is perimeter of an isosceles triangle with equal sides. So with equal sides at 8 centimeter and the third side is 6 centimeter. So what is the perimeter? 8 plus 8 plus 6, that is 22 centimeter. Okay. Now coming to question number 7. Find the perimeter of a triangle with sides. So there is a triangle with sides 10 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So what is the perimeter? 10 centimeter plus 14 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. So 5 plus 4, 9, 39 centimeter. Question number 8. Find the perimeter of a regular hexagon with sides 8 meters. So what is the perimeter of a hexagon? Hexagon has how many sides? 6 sides. 6 into regular hexagon. So the sides are same. So regular hexagon, it is 6 into 8 centimeter, which is 48 centimeter. Question number 9. Find the sides of a square whose perimeter is 20 meter. So a square whose perimeter is given as 20 meter. So perimeter of a square is what? 4a, which is given as 20 meter. So what is a? 4 comes on this side, will become divided by. That is 5 meters. Okay. Next, coming to question number 10. So what does 10 say? 10 says the perimeter of a regular pentagon. Pentagon has how many sides? 5 sides. Okay. Of a regular, the perimeter of a regular pentagon is 100 centimeter. Okay. So I can say 5 into A is equal to 100 centimeter. So what is the side? 100 divided by 5, that is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay. Next. Question number 11. Question number 11 says what? A piece of string is 30 centimeter long. So there is a string which is 30 centimeter long. Now what is the question? What will be the length of each side of the string if the string is used in the form of first one is a square? So this string is to form a square. So the perimeter of the square will be 30 centimeter. So here perimeter is equal to 30 centimeter, which is equal to 4a. So what is a? 30 divided by 4. So when you divide 30 by 4, what happens? 7 4s are 28. 2 goes down. A 0 would come here. With that you will put a decimal over here. 0 will come here. 5. 20. So 7.5 centimeter. Okay. B, an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means a triangle with all the 3 sides as equal. So I will have 3a is equal to 30 centimeter. So what is a? 30 divided by 3, that is equal to 10 centimeter. Right? Next. C. It's talking about regular hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides with same. So 6a is equal to 30 centimeter. So what is the value of a? 6 going other sides become divided by 6. So 5 centimeter. Okay. Next, coming to question number 12. 2 sides of a triangle are given. Okay, so there is a triangle. Two sides are given. This is 12 centimeter. This is 14 centimeter. Perimeter of the triangle is 36 centimeter. So what is the third side? Let the third side be x. So what do I have? 12 centimeter plus 14 centimeter plus x is equal to 36 centimeter. Right? So now 26 centimeter plus x is equal to 36 centimeter. So what is the value of x? 36 minus 26 centimeter, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay? Next. 13. Find the cost of fencing a square park. So there is a square park. Fencing means I need to find the perimeter. Fencing a square park of side 250 meter at the cost of rupees 20 per meter. Okay, so there is a fencing is in all the surroundings, so I need to find the perimeter. So what is the perimeter? 4 into 250 meters, that is equal to 1000 meters. And so what is the cost? Is equal to 1000 into 20, which is rupees 20,000. Okay, rupees 20,000. Next, coming to question number 14. So what does 14 state? Question number 14 states, find the cost of fencing a rectangular park. So there is a rectangular park of length 175 meter and breadth is 125 meter at rupees 12 per meter. So now perimeter, again I am fencing. So fencing I will be in all the four sides. So it is perimeter. So perimeter is 2 into 125 plus 175. So how much is it? 2 into 5 plus 5, 10, 7 plus 3, 10, carry 1, 300. Okay. So that is equal to 600 meters. So what is the cost? Cost is equal to nothing but rupees 12 into 600. 12 6 is 72. So rupees 7200. Okay. Question number 15. What is question number 15? Sweetie runs around a square park. So I have this person Sweetie who runs around a square park. Okay, who runs around a square park of 75 meters. And Bulbul is another person who runs around a rectangular park of length 60 meters and breadth 45 meters. So the question is, who covers less distance? So I will find the perimeter over here. 4 into 75 meters, that is equal to 300 meters. And here perimeter is it is rectangle, so 2 into 60 plus 45, that is equal to 2 into 105 meters, which is equal to 210 meters. So which is lesser? So I have 300 meters is greater than 210 meters. Therefore I can say Bulbul covers less distance. Okay. Next, I am coming to question number 16. Okay. Now coming to question number 16. So what is the perimeter of each of the following figures? What to infer from the answer? So see, all the four sides is 25 centimeter. So this is what to infer? A, it is a square. So what do we infer from the figure? It is a square. And what is the perimeter? It is 4 into 25. 4 into 25 is 100 centimeter. Okay, coming to B. So 2 is 20 centimeter and 2 is 30 centimeter. Where do you get it? So it is a rectangle. And how do you write this? What is the perimeter? 2 into 30 plus 20 centimeter, which is 2 into 50, that is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. Next. Question number, okay, I did question number C. Now I am doing B. B is again a rectangle. See 10, 10, 40, 40. So 2 into 10 plus 40, that is equal to 2 into 50 centimeter, which is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. Question number D. It is two sizes 30 centimeter. So it is an isosceles triangle. So what is it? 30 centimeter plus 30 centimeter plus 40 centimeter, that is equal to 100 centimeter. So I can say all these four figures have the same perimeter. So I can always say all the four figures has same perimeter. Okay, so they have the same perimeter. Now coming to question number 17. Avneet buys 9 square paving slabs, each with side half meter. So what is the length of each side? Half meter. What is half meter? Half meter means 0.5 meters. Okay. He lays them in the form of square. What is the perimeter of the arrangement? So 10, 7, this one. So I need to see the perimeter. So here you see there are 3 boxes. So what is this? One side length is 3 into 0.5. All the 4 sides same. So 4 into this. So what is the perimeter? So I can do 4 5s are 20. So 2, 3 into 2, 6. So it is 6 meter. Next question. Shari does not like this arrangement. She gets in him to lay it in the cross manner, which is in this case. Okay. So now what is the perimeter? So what is the perimeter here? Check. 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1. This side also 1. This side also 1. This side also 1. So 1 on each side. Right? So how is it looking like? Now if I draw it in a big manner, it will become easy for you. So all the side is becoming 1. The sides have become 1. So what is this side? This side is 0.5. These corners are 0.5. Okay. So what do I have? 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 8 sides. So 8 plus 4 into 0.5. So 8 plus 2, which is again 10 centimeter. Okay. So whatever is the matter, so 10 centimeter. Half, if it is half meter, then it is then it will be in meters. I think it's meter, so it's meter. Fine. Next, which is greater? So first one, you see, I will just write the first one. First one, what did we get? We got 1.5 into 4, which is 6 meters. And what is the second one? We got the perimeter as? We got the perimeter as 8 plus 2, that is 10 meters. right? So which is greater? The second one is greater. Avneet wonders if there were in a way of getting an even greater perimeter. Can you find a way of doing this? The paving slabs must be along complete edges, that is, they cannot be broken. So if you want to get a huge perimeter of all these 9 pavements, okay, so they have to be along the complete edges. So you will get that side. So you will have 9 here, 9 here, and 0.5. So it is 9 into 0.5 here, 9 into 0.5 here, 0.5 here, 0.5 here. So there will be 9 plus 1, that's 10. Okay? Alright. So that's it in this particular exercise 10.1. Thank you.